Stay humble and stay hungry. Now's the time to build your wealth. Now, this next topic is building wealth for ages 25 to 50. Earning years. This is the time you get things done. So, now that we're going to talk about how you're building wealth, now, when you go to spend your money, are you investing or are you spending your money for the things that you desire? What are you doing? What are your decisions behind your spending? Okay, because that is what drives everything, right? The lifestyle that you want to live. Are you spending things to make sure that you can be like your friends, your coworkers, or are you actually building a plan for the, not just for where you're at today, but for the future? Okay, yes, go on vacations, do the things you want to do, but make sure you're putting some money away for your future. The second thing I want to leave you with is stay humble. Stay hungry, but stay humble. Don't feel that, okay, maybe you're doing well at work. Maybe you actually are getting promoted, or maybe you're an entrepreneur and you're really just starting to take off, okay? Or maybe you're in sales or whatever profession you're in. You're starting to build success. You're starting to get money in your pocket. Be careful on how you're spending your money. Remember, money is a tool to live the lifestyle that you want, but you have to have discipline. So I want to make sure that you understand that component. Stay humble. Now you're making money, you're doing well. Where should I put it? What accounts do I set up? Where should I invest? Short-term, long-term strategies are very important, because when you build wealth, you're going to have, and you're young, you're going to have an aggressive component and a conservative component. They have to match your goals, because as I spoke in the retirement video about accumulation and distribution phases, you actually want to make sure this is the accumulation phase. This is where you really need to grow your money. This is where you're making money, you're investing. Some of it needs to be aggressive, no doubt. Okay, those are wealth accumulation strategies. I'm not going to go over the accounts, but those are the wealth accumulation strategies that you should be looking at. However, there should be a small amount of money going into a little bit of a long-term approach, because that's going to grow over time. That's going to give you another base when you get to that distribution phase. Okay, so those are the things I want to leave you with to make sure that you understand how to build wealth from 25 to 50. Okay, because this is the time where you make the most money. Because after 50, you're preparing for retirement. Okay, and you're probably at the very tail end of your career.